It lists every student at least as quantifiers and students, course, and enrolled as a predicates. The note further states every student has at least one course you're not enrolled in, which combines a quantifier and predicates to form a logical statement. Quantifiers in logic and mathematics, quantifiers specify the quantity of objects that satisfy a given property. Every, also known as the universal quantifier, indicates that the statement applies to all members of a set, while at least suggests that there are seven or more members for statement is true. Predicates are properties or relations that can be true or false for a given object or sets of objects that describe a characteristic or relationship with a domain of student courses. Every student has at least one course they are not enrolled in, combines quantifiers and predicates to express a logical statement. It asserts that for each student, there exists at least one course that the student is not enrolled in. The statement could be analyzed for its true value within specific context of students and courses. Students X. This statement defines X as a student. It means that if the condition student is true, then X represents a student. Course and Y. Similarly, this statement defines Y as a course. If course is true, then Y represents a course. Enrolled. This statement indicates that student X X is enrolled in course Y. It establishes a relationship between the student and course, showing that the student is participating in a particular course. This likely represents the negation of the previous statement's meaning. Student X is not enrolled in course Y, indicates that there is no enrollment relationship between student X and course Y. This notation is frequently used in a formal logic and database system to express relationship and contains between entities.